What's up, guys? It's your man AA Fix. Make sure you watch the videos all the way through. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get into this video. This is a video. What I'm doing is I'm going to change out, actually improve the car interior look on this Mazda CX-5 um, with these seat covers. Um, they're going to really make the car stand out. It's a cream and black two-tone leather seat covers that will, I believe, match the car, upgrade the interior, give it more of a luxury look in the end. So this is the back seat and the bottom of the seat, and then we have the second one for the driver's side, passenger side. Also, I already opened this a while ago to check, make sure everything was there, but just doing an unboxing basically or unwrapping for you guys. And um, these are the seat components. This is the rear seat, the back of the behind the driver. Then this piece goes the middle of the seat, the bottom and the headrest. Then you have that's the headrest cover for the back, and then you have the seat base and for both sides and all that. So yeah, now we're going to take a look at the car, give you guys a look at the before. This is how the car looks, the two-tone doors, the cream seats. And the vehicle, it looks nice, but these seats being cloth kind of get a little dingy. And let me give you more light. They get dingy floor. I actually got some mats for this as well. Link for these things will be in the description. But yeah, I did get mats for this. But yeah, these seats get kind of dingy, and I just don't like the way that they look. Like these mats get, see how dirty these are cheaper, like Walmart. I believe these are Motor Trend, I believe. Now let's go around to the other side. As you can see, this is the back seat where I took the carpet up, let somebody use the car, and so I came back. But yeah, this is the front of it, and this is one of those other floor mats. And I don't like these floor mats. They're too stiff and bulky, and yeah. But this interior, I love these cars. The interior is nice. It's like you're in a spaceship when you're in the car. But I'm gonna show you guys how it looks soon with the transformation. But like these seats, they can't. The reason I'm changing them is because how dingy they get. Like when too many people are in and out of the car, the seats get a little dingy, and just I don't think this is a good design as far as having cloth of this color. Maybe leather of this color, but the cloth is not a good design in my opinion. But guys, here's the after. Get in the comments and tell me what you guys think. I think these seats are, it makes this car looks like a luxury SUV now with the two-tone, the quilted pattern on these. These are awesome headrests. There's a little wrinkling to them because I guess the way they were packaged up, but once they settle down a little bit after a little time, they should lay flat properly, and a little wearing in, they should wear in. But yeah, these seats, I love this two-tone look with the way that the doors look. This almost looks factory. This look, I kind of went through tons of these before I found ones that I really wanted to go in here, and I was hoping that this color matches good, and this color did match. Because you know, as you can see, like these headrests, the design is not perfect, but this makes the car looks a ton better. The front seat, you almost can't beat the way that these turned out. Looking at that from the back, oh, that is so beautiful.